Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make Vivo phone clones. If you are using Vivo phone and now you want to make a clone of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to open this app on your phone, which is easy here. It's an built-in application, but you won't get it in your phone. You can easily install it from Play Store app. Just open Play Store and here go for search and search for easy share. Just search for it and then you must have to install the app. Just install it, then open it, and after that you just have to select device clone from here and then open the same app in the second phone, and just like this just open it and here select device clone, then select here this is an old device, just select it, and this one you just have to select this is a new device, and just like this, then select here's the Android, just select it and then scan the QR code to connect with, just like this, and after that these phones will be connected. Just select connect from here, and after the connection it will scan all of your phone data. It might be 1.51 GB in my phone. So after that just select next from here, then use pin or enter your fingerprint to verify. Then select start cloning to make a clone of your device, and after that this phone will be cloned of this phone. So that's how you can easily make Vivo phones clones. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.